In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make a bar chart or any kind of chart really that will show the max of each category in your data. So in this example, we have the largest single cookie sale for each cookie type. So to do this, we can use a max ifs that will give a conditional max in our data and then make a chart based on that. To show what I mean, here we want to get the largest sale for each cookie type and the largest single sale. So to do this, we can use a max ifs equals max. So to do this, max ifs, and the first criteria is the max range. So what we want to get the max of? We want to get the maximum revenue. And the criteria range 1. So we want to get the max revenue, but of what? Well, we want to get it based on the cookie type. But which cookie type, right? So which criteria? Well, we want to get it based on the chocolate chip cookie. As you can see, the largest single sale for a chocolate chip cookie is $22,000, which is a lot of cookies. And here we want to make sure they locked in our data. So that way, as we copy this down, the criteria range and the max range does not change. And then here, we want to make a table based, a chart based on this. So we can first highlight data, go to recommended charts, click all charts, and you want to click on column chart. And we can select the first column chart. I will then show the largest sales for each cookie type. So that's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.